Ethan. How many choo-choos you got? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in a train track, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's see who's this. This one is, it's Rosie. Rosie from Thomas the Train. Yeah. I'm gonna put Rosie on the track. Let's see how fast Rosie goes on the track. Say, go, Rosie, go. Choo-choo, yeah. Let's make a lap around the track. Go. Choo-choo. Yeah. Okay, who's next? It's Steam Cloud, Thomas the Train. You pull it back and it goes by itself. Look, pull it back like this and it goes by itself. Yeah. Let's put Steam Cloud on the track. Let's see how fast it goes on the track. Okay, go Steam Cloud Thomas, go. It's stuck? Oh, just put it like that. Like, slowly, you gotta churn it. You gotta churn it. Okay, who's next? Which train do you want to be next? Percy? Okay, it's Percy. Let's see, Percy is number 6 in Thomas the Train, right? Let's see how fast Percy goes on the track. Ready? Say, go, Percy, go. Go, Percy, go. Go. Yeah, Percy. Okay. Say, choo-choo. Okay. Rosie went already. Steam Cloud and Percy. Who's next? This one? Oh, you want that, Thomas? That one's... Thomas is what, Ethan? Let me see it. Thomas is number 1. Thomas. Let's see how fast Thomas goes. Ready? Choo-choo. Let's see how fast Thomas goes. There goes Thomas. Say, go, Thomas, go. Come on, Ethan. Cheer him on. Say, go, Thomas, go. Go, Thomas, go. Yeah. Okay, you want to erase this other Thomas? This is another Thomas. This one goes back. This one goes back. Here, erase the other Thomas. Ready? Erase the other Thomas. Ready? Go, Thomas, go. Go, Thomas, go. Yeah. Okay, you want to erase him? Let's see, who is this? Number 5. He's James. Yeah, go. Race James. Yeah. Go, James. Ready? Go, James, go. Yeah. Go. You like choo-choo. Yeah, race him. It's okay. Woohoo. Choo-choo. Choo-choo. Who's next? Harold, the flying airplane from Thomas. Yeah. He's flying up high. You want to race him on the track? Go, Harold, go. Did it go, Harold? Go, Harold, go. Go, Harold, go. Yeah. Okay, who's next? Oh, it's Salty. Salty from Thomas the Train. You want to race Salty? You want to race Salty? Salty. He's next up on the track. Go, Salty. Go, Salty, go. Go, Salty, then go. Go, Salty. Choo-choo. Yeah. Go job, Salty. Who's the last one? Last Thomas train we have here is Diesel. He looks pretty serious, right? Let's go, Diesel. Ready? You ready, Ethan? Say, go, Diesel, go. Go, Diesel. Which choo-choo won? Is it Harold, Thomas, Rosie, Steam Cloud choo-choo, Percy, Thomas again without the steam cloud, James, Salty, or Diesel? Which choo-choo train do you think won? You think James won? James? Or who do you think won? Who do you think won? James? James won. Say choo-choos. Yeah, these are the choo-choos. Who do you think won? You think James won? James won? That's the winner you picked? Yeah? Oh, you think it's Salty now? Oh, that's not Salty. That's, what's his name? No. This is James. James on Percy. I always get them confused. Who do you think won? Thomas the Train? Number 1? Yeah? Okay. Say bye. Say bye.